Good morning, student. I am your computer teacher Shilpa Rathod. Today we are going to start lesson number 9, Surfing the Net. Inside the chapter, we are going to see what is the internet, web browser, URL, HTML, uploading and downloading, understanding the cloud, online media, and navigation using the web applications. What is internet? Now, what is internet? Internet stands for interconnected network. Internet is defined as an information superhighway to access information over the web. Internet is a worldwide global system of interconnected computer networks. Internet uses the standard internet protocol TCP/IP, that is transmission control protocol, internet protocol. Every computer in internet is identified by a unique IP address. Fine. Nowadays we all are using internet for various purposes. Fine. Whatever information we want, we can easily access by using the internet. Now, web browser. A web browser is a software application for accessing information on the World Wide Web. When a user requests a web page from a particular website, the web browser retrieves the necessary content from a web server and then displays the page on the user's device. So, web browser is a software or application which is used to access the internet. Fine. So there are so many commonly used web browser like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Apple Safari and Opera Mini. Fine. So Tim Berners-Lee invented the web browser. Now our next concept is URL. Now what is URL? URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Okay. To load a web page in the web browser, we always enter the URL of the website into address bar of the web browser and then press the enter key. Fine. So a URL is mainly used to point a web page, a component of a web page or a program on the website. So the URL consists of domain name and the path of the file. Fine. A URL is the specific type of uniform resource identifier, although many people use the two terms interchangeably. Fine. Now, what is HTML? Now, HTML is a hypertext markup language, which is a set of markup symbols or codes inserted into a file intended for display on the internet. The markup tells web browser how to display a web pages, words and images. Now, what is the use of HTML language? HTML language is used to create a web page. Now the web pages that come together and form the website and it is designed by using the HTML language. Fine. Without HTML, a browser would not know how to display the text or load the images. Fine. One more concept is in HTML language, that is the hyperlink. Okay. Now what is hyperlink? A hyperlink is an icon or graphic or text in a document that link to another web page on the internet. When you click on that hyperlink, the browser leaves the current page we are viewing and opens the page of the hyperlink. Fine. Hyperlink text is usually blue in color. So by using the HTML language, we can create our own web page. Fine. Now, uploading and downloading. While working on the internet, we have frequently come across the terms downloading and uploading. Downloading means receiving data or file from the internet on our computer. Fine. And uploading means sending data or file from our computer to somewhere on the internet. Fine. This is what uploading and downloading. Now next concept is cloud. Now what is cloud? Now cloud storage refers to the data stored over the internet. When something is on the cloud, it means it's stored on internet server instead of our computer, laptop, tab or smartphone. Nowadays we can easily find that our most data is stored on cloud. We can easily access our data frequently whenever we require by using the cloud. For example, we are using Gmail, Rediffmail, Yahoo. Okay, so all our data is placed on cloud. So there is no need to store all the data in our computer or in our laptop. Fine. So like cloud-based applications or web application run in the cloud and do not need to be installed on our computer. Now this helps us to access our email or data from any device with an internet connection like any computer, tab, laptop or smartphone. Now let us see the advantages of using cloud storage. Now there are three main advantages like file storage, file sharing and file backup. Now what is file storage? We can store all types of information in the cloud including files, photos, recordings, videos. Fine. We can access these items from any computer or mobile device with an internet connection. Now we all know about Google Drive from Google. These are the most popular cloud-based storage services. Now file sharing. The cloud make it easy to share files with several people at the same time. Fine. Now cloud-based application like Flickr or iCloud Photos allows us to upload our photographs and then quickly share them with friends and family. Now files stored on Dropbox, Google Drive, SkyDrive can also be shared easily. Okay. Google Doc is also the example for file sharing. Now last one is the file backup. Now an important benefit of cloud storage is the backup of data on the cloud. If the hard disk of our computer crashes or if anything happen like any important file accidentally deleted, there is no need to get panic if the file are stored on the cloud. Fine. So we can get it back by using the cloud storage. So any damage to our device will not obstruct our work as we can recover our files from the cloud storage. So this is what all about the cloud storage. Now our next topic is online media. Now online media can be described as the digital media which includes photos, videos and musics available on the internet. There are many websites that allows us to watch videos, movies or listen to music. For example, YouTube. We are using YouTube for watching any videos. Fine. Even nowadays we are using that Netflix, Amazon Prime. Okay, this web applications offers the entertainment at very low cost in the premises of our home. Now these applications are popular because there is a huge range of movies to be selected from, and we can watch our desired movie or show from any device with an internet connection at any time or at anywhere with our own comfort. As we know that the videos offered by YouTube are free of cost. Okay, and even YouTube also allows us to upload our videos, or we can easily shoot a short movie, fine, and we can upload our own videos. So this is what the online media. Now our last topic is navigation using the web application. Now what is navigation? Navigation means what? Moving from one place to another. With the advent of internet, our horizons have widened and the world has become a global village. Internet offers us the facility of GPS. Now what is GPS? GPS stands for Global Positioning System. Is a global navigation satellite system that provides location. GPS is everywhere. We can find GPS system in our car, smartphone, and even in smartwatch. Fine. So like Google Map, Apple Map, and Nokia's Here Maps are capable web-based map applications with turn navigation direction. Okay, these web applications can locate our exact position, calculate the speed and direction in which we are traveling. It could be any vehicle, train, boat, or could be walking. These applications can help us to find our exact location and provide the smallest route to our destination, alert us about the traffic jams, and offer us alternate routes. Inform us about places like restaurant, petrol pumps, emergency assistant, hotels, and so on. It gives the landmark our current location like home, office, etc., so that it can help us return back safely after our travel. Nowadays, we all are using Google Map. It is very easy and convenient to use. No need to ask to anyone for any location. Fine. So this is what all about the chapter. Hope you all understand it. Thank you and have a nice day.